Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and finally we got to see some retracement on the chart of gold. So gold failed to cross the high of 2685, and when gold formed this big red candle here, we thought that finally we are about to witness the trend reversal we all have been waiting for. But our support level that we discussed yesterday worked nicely. Gold bounced from the support and ultimately closed at 2658. So if we look at the overall trend of the market, then overall trend is still very much bullish. But yes, if we focus on the present trend of the market here, can we consider this to be as a bullish market? No, because the market structure is not bullish. So yes, there have been some changes on the chart of gold that we will discuss right now. So my dear friends, if you're busy doing something, then please watch the video later because we will cover some complicated aspects and you will find it difficult to understand, okay, if you do not listen to me properly. Okay, so please watch when you are free because this video may sound a little complicated because things are slowly changing on the chart of gold. I'm not saying that gold is going down. No, things are changing. So you need to understand properly. So if we consider the fundamentals right now, then we all know that for the last couple of days, the interest rate prospect by the year end, the geopolitical tension, all were giving fuel to gold, because of which gold broke 2500, 2600, and market went up. That's a different story. But if you look at the fundamental factors right now, then more or less things are stable. More or less things are stable. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can see our beloved gold, okay, is also changing here. Earlier, when we looked at the Forex sentiment meter, 80% retail traders were on the sell side. Remember? But now we can see that only 55% are on the sell side and 45% are on the buy side. So things have changed drastically. If you don't know about the Forex sentiment meter, it shows the position of the retail traders. And most of the time, or almost all the time, we see that market always move against the Forex sentiment meter. If you really want to trade considering the Forex sentiment meter, then you always need to take position against the Forex sentiment meter. So when retail traders were on sell side, market was bullish. Okay, but now we can see the retail traders, okay, more or less they are accumulating buy position. Retail traders are entering into buy position. So what does it mean? It means that we may see some correction on the chart of gold because market never move on the same direction as the Forex sentiment meter. Why? Because see, trading is a zero-sum game. Okay, if someone is winning, someone will be losing money. And most of the time, okay, it is seen that retail traders lose money. And who plays the game, the dirty tricks? The institutions, the banks, the hedge funds. Okay, so they always try to trap retail traders. Okay, so in this case, we can see that as retail traders are accumulating buy position right now, so they will be trying to trap the retail traders, okay, with on their buy position. And how will it happen? When market will be going down. And if we look at the chart of gold, we can see that the present trend of the market is no longer bullish because the market structure is not bullish. Market is no longer forming higher highs and higher lows. So we have a possibility that we may see market going down from here. I'm not talking about trend reversal. Okay, trend reversal will only come when gold will break 2600. Okay, but yes, those who have taken buy position around 2660, 2670, they all will be trapped. Getting my point? In this type of situation, live market analysis can be extremely useful and Dotbee can be the perfect solution. We have discussed about Dotbee earlier also, how Dotbee helps us with live market analysis. Those who are listening to me for the first time talking about Dotbee, it's an AI chatbot that not only answers to our questions but also helps us with the live market analysis. You just need to select your preferred currency pair from here, your preferred time frame, and you will be receiving live market analysis from time to time. That will help you to take decisions in your trading journey. Dotbee is very easy to use also. You just need to click here, install the Dotbee application, and you can use it like this. Means you can watch the chart and also enjoy the live market analysis at the same time. Isn't it awesome? So feel free to check out Dotbee. The link is in the description. Let's look at the higher time frames now. This is the weekly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is standing at the top with some little price ejection from above, and we all are waiting for a proper correction on the chart, proper trend reversal. When gold made a high of 2430, the same story happened because we all expected a retracement. Yes, we got a retracement, but not the retracement we all expected. We got a retracement of around $150. Okay, gold came around 2300 and gold bounced again. Again, when gold went up, gold made a high of 2530. We got a retracement, but not according to expectation, but it came around 2480 level, around $50 retracement, and it went up. Okay, so the story is repeating again. So right now, okay, if you listen to the others, many are expecting that gold would come to 2400, 2300, but personally I believe that the chances of market coming down to 2400, 2300 is very less, because for a huge trend reversal for 2300, 2400, we need a big fundamental factor which is missing right now. Okay, so and without any solid fundamental reason, okay, there cannot be a trend reversal. After NFP, if gold starts falling, yes, we can expect that we will get the trend reversal. But before NFP, without any proper fundamental reason, chances of market going for trend reversal is very less. Okay, and if we look at the daily chart of gold, we can see on the daily chart also market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Then yesterday gold has formed a hanging man pattern. Okay, both are trend reversal patterns, but as we all know, price is independent. When price decides to party, no pattern, no indicator works. But yes, there is a possibility that we may see some retracement on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, let's try to find out. So we are back to our beloved hourly time frame again, and let's discuss the trading opportunities. So on the Forex sentiment meter, we saw that retail traders are entering into buy position. So there is a chance that the institutions will try to trap the retail traders now, because trading or market is a zero-sum game. Okay, and without any fundamental factor, there cannot be a trend reversal also. For a complete trend reversal, we need gold going down below 2600, the black box here. If gold breaks this particular box here, then we can expect that finally we got the trend reversal towards 2400, 2300. Until and unless gold is trading above 2600, you can expect that gold will be going for correction only. And when there will be a deep correction in the market, all the retail traders will be trapped. All the buyers around 2670, 2660 will be trapped. Market will hunt down their stop losses. Okay, so in this situation right now where we have so many possibilities, so it's better to trade from level to level only. If you're a day trader, then yes, we are back to our old game of level to level trading. If you're holding your buy on the chart of gold, then you can be on the buy position as long as gold is trading above 2650. Let me repeat again. If you're already having a buy on the chart of gold, okay, if you're holding your buy, then you can continue with your buy as long as gold is trading above 2650. But if it breaks 2650 level, if you see the market is going down, you can exit, because we can expect that gold will be sideways, gold will be choppy, gold will be trapping traders, okay, in the next few days. If you're having a sell on the chart of gold, because many of you have been holding sell position for last couple of weeks, if you're having a sell around 2400, 2500, you can continue holding your sell position. I'm not saying that you will get an exit, but at least your loss will be small. If you exit around 2600, 2610, obviously you will be at a better place. So if gold breaks 2650, continue with a sell position. If gold breaks 2685 level, this particular area, then you need to exit from your sell. Okay, so you need to exit from your sell if gold breaks this particular area. But in this situation, there is a good chance that we may get to see further correction. So you can hold, you can, at least you will be able to book low loss, less loss. And those who are looking for new positions in the market, okay, it's better for us to trade from level to level only. And next week is the NFP week. Before a major event like NFP, market prefers to stay sideways, and this week we can expect market to remain crazy. So I think that this can be the new range for the market right now, 2600 to 2685. Okay, so what are the trading opportunities then? So yesterday we saw the market taking support around 2646 area. On Monday, if we see there is a drop in the market, our next support will come into the scene, which is 2635. Okay, 26 so yeah, it was 2637, I guess. Yeah, 2637 to 2635. Already I have shown you guys. We have use FIBO here to find this level. Okay, we have FIBO's 61.8% retracement level around 2635 area. So we are expecting that this level will provide support to the market. And when market will cross this level, the next support or the second support on the chart of gold will be around 2621 to 2620 because of previous support around this area, and we have the 200 moving average. So 2635 area, 2621 20 area will be our next support, where we can expect a bounce. We can expect a good bounce. At least we can expect a bounce of 50 to 70 pips, and your stop loss should be around 40 pips. Okay, and if we just focus on the recent candles here, then we can see that slowly market is going down. Do not consider it as a trend reversal. This is not trend reversal, just a minor correction. So if you are a scalper, okay, if you love to take a risk in the market, then you can look for 30-40 pips quick sell around 2667 and 2670. These are the two levels where you can look for a quick sell on the chart of gold on Monday. But these are risky levels, not reliable levels at all. And on Monday, if there is a sudden recovery in the market, because gold have been giving surprises for a long time, if gold surprises us again, so we can look for a buy above the high of 268586 area. But chances of market breaking 268586 is quite low right now. Okay, I think there is a good possibility that market will remain choppy or sideways till NFP. And as I said, there is a possibility, good possibility, that we may see market going down from here, and 2600 2680 will be the new range of gold. Trend reversal, yes, it may come, but if it breaks 2600, till then there is a high chance that market may try to trap traders. Those who to buy around 2670 2680, okay, all the traders will be trapped. Okay, and so it's better for us to trade from level to level again. Okay. So yesterday market bounced beautifully from our first support of 264546 area. Okay, so we can expect the next support to provide support to the market. Okay, around 2635 2637 area, and the second support will be around 2620 262122 area. And risky traders, scalpers, can look for a quick sell around 2670 2665 area as well. And if market shows a big recovery, then we can look for a buy above 268586 area again. And those who are having a buy right now, continue with a buy position. Maybe you will get you'll be able to ride the trend of the market again. You can be on the buy position as long as gold is trading above 2650. If market breaks 2650, you can exit. And those who are holding sell position from 2400 2500 area, you can continue with your sell position, because if market comes down a little, okay, your loss will be lower. And those who are stuck on buy right now around 2670 area, I think market will try to trap you. Let's wait and watch. If you get a better exit on Monday, try to exit from your sell. Okay, so market opening is going to be important. The market's volatility is going to be important, and Next week is NFP. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and have a lovely weekend.